Then third point is that MO diagram of B2 molecule means B2 means B means boron. MO diagram, molecular orbital diagram of B2 molecule. Write the point sequentially. First point, electron configuration of atom. Second point, MO diagram. From MO diagram we can write and explain MO diagram and write the electron configuration of molecule. Third point, bond order. Fourth point, stability. And fifth point is that magnetic character. You need not necessary to remember bond length and bond dissociation energy. You must remember if the bond order increases, stability of the molecule increases as well as bond dissociation energy increases and bond length decreases. As bond order increases, bond dissociation energy increases but bond length decreases. Therefore, first point is MO diagram of B2 molecule. First point is that the electronic configuration of boron means that is B. Atomic number of boron is 5. Therefore, electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1 or 2px1 or 2p1. Then second point, MO diagram of B2 molecule is, then we can draw the MO diagram, that is to the left side of this diagram is atomic orbitals. To the right side, atomic orbitals of other boron atom. In the central part or middle, molecular orbitals. Here, 1s. You know that already. You already know that valence orbital electrons do not take part in bonding. 1s2. They can show that like this, kk or non-bonding, or we can draw this here. Then 2s orbitals like this. Here molecular orbitals are drawn in the middle like this. This is 2s2. This is 1s. Here 2s orbital of other boron atom. Electrons are 2. Then electron transfer to the bonding molecular orbital, then anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Then at the time of examination, you should use the more space or one page from MO diagrams of molecules. Here 2p means 2px, 2py and 2pz. These are the three orbitals. From this, here we can draw like this. Then here we can draw like this. Then here also like this, and this is. We can join these orbitals in this way. These are pi to py and pi to pz, and this is sigma to px. Here pi star to py, pi star to pz, and sigma star to px. In the middle portion, there are bonding and antibody molecular orbitals, and to the left and right of this diagram is atomic orbital. This is the 2p atomic orbital of boron atom. Electrons are filled like this. Here, if you can write here, or you can write like this. Mean this is the 2px. This is also 2px. Then electrons are filled 1, 1, 2. Electrons are filled first singly, then pair. Then from the MO diagram, we say that 5 points. First point, atomic orbitals and molecular orbitals are arranged in the increasing order of their energy. Here is the energy. Then second point, atomic orbitals are shown to the two sides. Means atomic orbital one atom shows to the left side of diagram, and atomic orbital of other boron atom shows to the right side of diagram. And molecular orbitals are shown in the middle. Then third point, when atomic orbitals combine to form molecular orbitals, they lose their identity. But you can look here. Here, in case of Ponus orbital, from lithium to onwards, the case is that 1s orbital electrons do not take part in bonding. Simply, they are transferred to the molecular orbitals, but they remain same as in atomic orbitals. Means as it is, they transfer to the molecular orbitals. Its size shape does not change. Therefore, it can show like this kk, or we can draw these two boxes here, or simply we can write normally. Then fourth point is that electrons are filled into molecular orbitals according to above principle, Pauli-Exclusion principle, and Hund's rule. You know that what is meant by above principle, Pauli-Exclusion principle, and Hund's rule. From MO diagram, we write the electronic configuration of, that is, from this point we can write the electronic configuration of B2 molecule is, that is, B2 is equal to Kk, then sigma 2s, electrons are 2. Sigma star, that is number of electrons present in antibonding molecular orbitals, are also 2. Then pi 2py 1, pi 2py and pi 2pz, energy cell, comma pi 2py 1 is equal to, therefore we can write like this: electronic configuration of B2 molecule is Kk, comma sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, then pi 2py 1 and pi 2pz1. Energy of pi 2p1 and pi 2pyz1 is same. Therefore, we can use the symbol like sign is equal to. Then third point, bond order. Bond order is equal to Nb minus Na upon 2. Once you should draw the above diagram neatly and systematically, then you can explain the remaining points. BO means bond order of B2 molecule is Nb minus Na upon 2. Nb means number of electrons present in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons present in antibonding molecular orbital divided by 2, and this ratio is called as bond order. Here count the bonding molecular orbitals, 2 and 2, 4. Then count the antibonding molecular orbitals. You do not count these. It's not necessary to count the molecular orbitals, electrons in molecular orbitals. You count from this. Bonding molecular orbital, electrons in bonding molecular orbitals are 2 plus 2, 4. Electrons in antibonding molecular orbitals are 2 divided by 2 is equal to 2 upon 2, 1. Therefore, bond order is 1, B2 molecule exists. Show that B2 molecule exists and there is a single covalent bond between two the atoms. Then stability, you can look or see the MO diagram of B2 molecule. If one or two unpaired electrons present in bonding molecular orbitals or in molecular orbitals, then we can say that molecule is paramagnetic, or all the electrons are paired in molecular orbitals, then we can say that molecule is dimagnetic. In this case, if we can see, you can see here the electrons are paired, unpaired. Therefore, you can write, if the bond order is 1 or greater than 1, then molecule is stable. Therefore, the reason is that bond order is 1, molecule is stable. You simply write or say molecule is stable or unstable. If bond order is 0 or negative, molecule is unstable. If bond order is positive, means 1 or greater than 1, then molecule is stable. Then fifth point, magnetic character. You can see the diagram of MO diagram of B2 molecule. In the MO diagram, if 1 or 2 unpaired electrons are present in molecular orbitals, then molecule is paramagnetic. If all electrons are paired in molecular orbitals, then molecule is diamagnetic. In this case, here means bonding molecular orbitals electrons are unpaired. Therefore, from this we say that molecule is paramagnetic. The remaining part we can see in the next page.